Welcome to Tailgate Talks. I'm Cliff Snedeker. In this episode, we're going to visit with Nik Slaughter, our regional Armstrong ACOUSTIBUILT Installation Specialist. It's been 2 years since we introduced ACOUSTIBUILT, and it has truly revolutionized the seamless acoustical ceiling system category, combining the clean monolithic visual of drywall with total acoustics performance. ACOUSTIBUILT is the fastest, easiest, and lightest weight single-layer seamless acoustical ceiling system on the market. Let's learn from Nik how some recent ACOUSTIBUILT installation improvements have made this solution even better.
We've made some key improvements to the ACOUSTIBUILT system that make the installation process even faster and easier than ever before. First, a new adhesive-based installation process eliminates the use of metal washers to hold panels in place. Panels are now glued and screwed directly to Armstrong drywall grid. This substantially reduces finishing labor and joint compound dry times. Second, a new guidance for using automatic finishing boxes to finish ACOUSTIBUILT panel joints increases productivity and consistency while eliminating the need to finish joints by hand. Third, using the Graco Mark V airless spray system, you can apply the fine texture finish 30% faster than before. This Graco spray system is fast and easy to move around the job site as well. The Graco Mark V unit has multiple uses, and many contractors are already using this equipment in other capacities. Fourth, all ACOUSTIBUILT panels feature four-sided, hardened, tapered edges that give us a big improvement with edge durability during transit and handling on the job. This means fewer damaged panels and fewer edges to repair during the finishing process. Best of all, we offer free hands-on training for any contractor who wants to install ACOUSTIBUILT. Reach out to your local Armstrong distributor to schedule your hands-on training to understand the system and find out why ACOUSTIBUILT is the fastest growing seamless acoustical ceiling system on the market today.
Wow, Nik, that's a huge list of new improvements to an already outstanding system backed by Armstrong. If you'd like to learn more, visit armstrongceilings.com/ACOUSTIBUILT.